how to create a email opt-in form in Aweber. Welcome to my channel, and this 5-minute marketing tip, we're going to go through how to create an opt-in page that in Aweber, and how you can do that quickly and easily, and how Aweber can host it for you, so you don't actually need your own domain or hosting, or you don't need to use WordPress or any other page builder. So let's jump right over. First, you're going to need an Aweber account. So when you go to Aweber, and I'll leave links down below, so if you want to use my affiliate link to get an Aweber account, I'd appreciate it. And if not, that's fine. But on their pricing is essentially, they have a free plan, and then they have paid plans. And so you can definitely start with a free plan. It'll give you one list where you can do quite a bit of things, but you just go over here. You can start with the Aweber free plan, or you can see their pricing if you click there. So let's jump on over inside my Aweber account. Now, first thing you need to do when you're in Aweber, and important to remember in Aweber, is you need to make sure you're in the right list, which is at the top of the page here. And so you can see I have all kinds of different lists. You can create a new list. I'm not going to go through that because that's pretty self-explanatory. And so we're in my test list, and now the things you want to do is first go down to list options and list settings, which is where we are, and make sure your basic settings are correct, your from name, address, etc. And more importantly, go down to confirmation message, because you want to turn off send the confirmation. Okay. Now, if you have the free plan, you're not going to be able to turn off this API option. You need a paid plan for that, but that's okay, because you're probably not using the API in this method anyway. And then just make sure you save those settings. Next, you want to go to Pages and Forms, open this up, and then go to Sign Up Forms. Now, Aweber does have landing pages that you can use, but in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way using a sign up form. Click on For My Website. And when this opens up, what I like to do is on the template gallery, I like to use this simple template. So let me load that. And then come down here and delete the header section, delete the name section, delete the Powered by Aweber, and then delete the footer section. Now, under the submit, I like to use something like, yes, please, send my free report or video or whatever you're offering. And then I like to come up here and change the background color to a green, because green means go. And then I like to make it 36 pixel for the text height, and you can choose any of the fonts. I like the trebuchet. And then click Save the Field, and then let's stretch this out as wide as it'll go. And now what you're going to do is add an image. Okay, and this is the way it makes it really simple inside Aweber. And I create all mine in Canva. So again, I'll leave a link below. They have a free plan, which is really all you need. I do have their pro plan, which gives you a ton more options, but the free plan is plenty enough, because what you're going to do is you're going to create an image. Ideally, you want to make it about 500 pixels wide by 500 pixels tall. Okay, so that's the rough dimensions, 500 by 500 pixels. And then you're going to create that image, and then you're going to click on Add an Image. And so we're going to go down here, click on Image Gallery. Now, I have my image uploaded already. It's this one. And so let's go ahead and click on that. Let's click Center, just so the image is centered, and now hit Save. And so now, if we scroll down, here's the image. We need to just drag that up. And so now our image is on top of the email opt-in and the button they're going to click. And you want to make your image really simple. Okay, this converts at about 40 to 50% with traffic, cold traffic, because it's a very simple, it gives them a very simple decision. Do they want to do this or not? If they do, they'll put their email in and click yes. If not, they won't. So anyway, save your form. And then on step 2, go to step 2. Now this is where you do want to rename this. I usually just put free report, because this will show up in the browser tab, whatever you put in there. And then for the thank you page, you can use theirs if you want, but I like to go to custom page and enter in either a custom thank you page that I've made that maybe has some offers on it and tells them to go check their inbox, or you can put an affiliate offer here, or you can put the report here. Okay, so right now I'm just going to just use their basic version. Oops, none of it's going to let me do that. So anyway, when you click Save, let me just put in, because I'm running out of time for my 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and just put in Google so you can see. Okay, and then save that. And then to wrap up, go to step 3, and now click on Use My Form as a Landing Page. And this is what you're going to use. This link is where you're going to send your traffic. And so if we open this in a new browser, you'll see here is your opt-in page. And that's how easy it is to create a opt-in page using Aweber and letting Aweber host the opt-in page for you so you don't need a domain hosting or a page builder. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up to like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet so you can get more of these 5-minute marketing tips. Thanks so much for watching.